Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to check if your Windows 11 or 10 PC uses hard disk or SSD using PowerShell. For this, first click on this one Start button and then type PowerShell. In the search results, right click on this one Windows PowerShell entry and select Run as Administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on this one Yes button. Now in the PowerShell window, you need to copy and paste this one command. After that, press enter on the keyboard. Under media type, you can see if your PC is using SSD or HDD.